This is a brand new 2012 Chevrolet Cruze. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a performance package, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped shift knob, variable valve timing, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 42 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.